Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to add captions in Google Meet in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is we need to open the Google Meet website, and after that you can click this new meeting button. Okay, you can see here the three options here, but you can actually click the start an instant meeting. Okay. So after that, guys, the question is how are we going to add the captions here? Okay, so for us to add a caption here is, as you can see here, there's a lot of icon here on the bottom center. Okay, so what we're gonna do is look for this. Okay, this one, guys, it says the turn on caption, so you can click that one, guys, and after that, okay, click that one. And after that, you successfully what? You successfully turn on the caption or add the captions. Okay. Okay, you can have here. Hello. Okay, let's turn on our microphone. Let's test it. Okay. Hello. So as you can see, guys, there's a caption showing on my screen. Okay. So we successfully launch or did the task. Okay, so I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please guys don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on Google Meet. Thank you.